movement with progress. Okay? Because you can run in places and not get anything done. So are you moving forward? And who are you taking with you? And how are you making things better by the God-given talent that you all have in whatever area it may be? To write it, to direct it, to produce it, to cut it, or to shoot it. You have a gift. It is called a gift. You did not earn it. You were born with a gift. Now, hone that gift. You develop that gift. You do everything you need to do to protect it. And then, you share it. Importante yan. You share with everybody. Always remember, without commitment, you will never start. But more importantly, without consistency, you will never finish. Again, without commitment, you will never start. But without consistency, you will never finish. It is not easy. I know it is not easy. If it were easy, then there will be no Gina C. If it was easy, then there will be no Yvette Olivan. There will be no William Deloro. Okay? There will be no Jojo De Guia. Of course, Louis Tolentino. Okay? There will be no Arnold Taboy Mendoza. If it will be easy, then there will be no Johnny Yu. So every